Hello, I'm Dr. Matthew Morris with Rudimentary Health, and today we're going to talk about how to perfectly cook fish.
If it's bad, it's Jonathan.
Patrick gets credit if it goes well, otherwise we'll say Jonathan messed it up. Fish actually has a lot of healthy benefits. It's a lean meat with a lot of healthy fats, including omega-3s. The American Heart Association recommends getting 3 ounces of fish in twice per week, and it's also a part of the Mediterranean diet and has been shown to decrease our chance for heart attacks, strokes, and help our overall vascular health, which impacts just about everything from our heart to our brain. You want to start off by just patting this real dry, that way you get a nice sear when it goes into the pan. Next, we want to season each side with just a little bit of salt and pepper. We've turned our burner on to a medium heat. I like to do a medium heat, cook this a little bit slower, that way it doesn't sear or burn the outside too much and allows the inside to get cooked. Okay, one thing with fish, you want to make sure that you add plenty of oil for cooking. We're going to be using olive oil here today. You just don't want your fish sticking to the pan. We're going to lay that down and away. Okay, once you've got that fish in the pan, it starts to sizzle, and you want to start to notice how that cooked portion starts to turn a pale white. Now that'll start from the bottom and work its way up to the top. Once about 2/3 of that fish is a cooked pale white, you want to go ahead and flip it over to the other side and allow the other 1/3 to go ahead and cook and also turn a pale white. Then we're going to check the temperature. We're shooting for a temperature of 140, a very max of 145. And then we're gonna pull it off as quickly as possible and plate it up to eat. Okay, as you can see here, we're left with a nice salmon fillet. Got a good crunch, it looks like, on the outside, so it doesn't take long, and we're left with a really great result. They can go on a lot of different kinds of food, from a nice salad to a simple bed of brown rice topped with a chipotle sauce, or even break up your fish fillet and use it instead of street tacos. I hope everyone enjoyed that. I hope that makes fish a little bit more inviting and less intimidating. So get out there, look at that seafood section of the menu, go to your local grocery store and bring home some fish or seafood. Try it out for yourself, and I hope you have a great rest of the week. Thank you. Bye-bye.